Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open Paint now, press the Start key, type Paint, and hit Enter. Once the app loads, choose New or press Ctrl+N to begin immediately. Set your canvas size via Resize, pick pixels or percent, and lock the aspect ratio if you want consistent scaling. Make sure the toolbar is visible and choose a basic tool such as brush or pencil so you can start drawing without extra setup. This gets you straight into making edits on your Dell laptop. You now work with core tools. Pick brush for strokes, pencil for fine lines, fill for blocks of color, and eraser to remove mistakes. Once chosen, adjust size from the toolbar and open Edit Colors to mix a custom shade you like. This controls how bold or subtle your marks will be. You select to outline an area, then crop to remove extra canvas, and remember Ctrl+Z for instant undo. This sequence keeps your editing focused and reversible as you refine the image. You finish by saving and exporting correctly. Press Ctrl+S frequently, and when ready, choose File Save as to pick PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller file size. Once done, use File Print or Share if you need a hard copy or email. If Paint becomes unresponsive, first try closing and reopening the app or capture a quick screenshot to preserve work. If freezing persists, make sure Windows and device drivers are updated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.